So mimi nakuja hapa in the next 2 months kuanzisha program ya affordable housing ya Bungoma County ikiwemo Mount Elgon yenu hii. Na vijana mjipange, kwa sababu pale ndio mtapata ajira, tuweze kusukuma mambo ya gurudumu ya kwenda mbele, tukijumuisha vijana, talanta zao, uwezo wao, nguvu zao katika kubadilisha Kenya, na pia kila kijana ajipatie riziki na asimamie familia yake. Tunaelewana? Tumekubaliana na Wamarekani, tumekubaliana na Wajerumani, tumekubaliana na watu wa kutoka UAE na sehemu zingine kwamba watatupatia ajira ya digital jobs kwa vijana wa taifa letu la Kenya. Ajamagne mamigo masini. Akama kwa kitu ne mie. Mungu wabariki sana na wapenda sana. Mungu wabariki. Thank you very much. Kongo amazing.
Na ndo cia uthaka oro hamwe na cia kwenderia andu thiini wa mwena ucio wa Wajir. Na gikundi giki na kiria kiambiriirio mwaka-ini wa 2016 gikoretwo na itanya ria guteithia atumia aya na kwiguna kumaguna nigetha gukorwo makirugamirira kimuturire, na atumia aya makoretwo makiri na itanya oro hamwe na kioneki gia gutigirira ni makorwo magithomithia atumia aingi uria kwahotekeka nigetha makorwo makigunika kimuturire oro hamwe na kwirugamia.
Tulianza tunataka tu turupe kubwa, alafu tutengeneze kitu, tuwe na jina mzuri kwa Weaver Society. Hata kama tunatarajia hata awe company, lakini bado tunasukuma tu, bado hatujafika kiwango, lakini tunajaribu kuendelea vizuri. Hii naye ni basket ambaye mtu anaenda soko ama akitembea kwa safari, mtu anaenda from nguo anaendea naye, na mambo ya steril tunajifunza hata hiyo. Sasa tukaanza kutengeneza hiyo, na tuko na order ambaye wanachukua na 1500 mtu atengeneza. Hii training sisi ingine tulijifunza kwa online. Unajua watu wengine wamesoma, ingine tumealika watu tukafanya contribution, tumeleta watu wakatufunza. Akiwa hivi ni 2000, akiwa ina match pamoja kala, lakini sio different. Soko ni hapa tu tunasonga, tunaeleza watu ya wedding, wengine wanatufanya mama, kila mama wengine wanachukua kama decoration, wanatembea naye. Mtu akitaka kwa nyumba yake decoration anachukua. Government wametusaidia mara mingi, kama mara 4 hivi. Walitupatia tent, walitupatia chairs, walitupatia generator, alafu tunakondesha public
address.
As county government, we are able to give them starter kits. That is, we gave them tents for hire. We also gave them 50 chairs. We also gave them public address. They normally hire and generate income from that.
Kwa shida na Kiswahili
tunapitia, hatuna soko. Soko ndio mbaya. Hizi vitu naye ni ngumu kutengeneza, lakini sisi tunajaribu, lakini soko ndio kuna. Tungependa muweke kwa website ili kwa soko ijulikane na watu tupate order mzuri. Hiyo pesa sasa tunaingiza kwa material, kama tuko na shortage ya material tunajiletea, tunatengeneza.
Na hari tugitigana na county kana cikege county ya Wajir, tumurike igina cio cikege mainie na county ya Kajiado, na ni kuria aikari a Kitengera ni magunikite na urigitani utari na marihi niguo kunyihia murigo wa murimu, na makiria kuri family iria citagikoragwo na uhoti. Urigitani uyu uheanitwo ni gikundi kia wendi mwega kia Rotarians kiria kiurikanite kana gikoria aikari makorwo makiyumiria na njira nene na mahimbirie njanjo na guthurimwo kwa mirimu ta ya cancer na aciari nao ni moritio gukorwo magithingata njanjo cia ciana ciao na makiria ciana cia miaka 5 guthie na thi, na ni makenetio ni namba nene ya andu aria makoretwo makiyumiria nigetha makorwo makiamukira njanjo ta ici.
Mimi naitwa Aisha Akimana na nimeridhika sana kuona nimepokelewa vizuri na nimetibiwa vizuri. Ni wengi tu nimeona, wengi sana, wamoja walikuwa wanaumwa sana tena sana, lakini nashukuru sana kuona tumetibiwa vizuri, tumeshikiwa vizuri. Hata ukiwa na shida yote unasikilizwa kama wanakujua, lakini tumepokelewa na hii welcome. Tunashukuru sana na tunaomba tena warudie, wasikilize wagonjwa wengine wana matatizo wanayo. Kama kuna wengine wanaumwa roho lakini hawajui kama wanaumwa roho, kuna wengine wanaumwa macho lakini hawajui kama wanaumwa macho, kuna wengine wana vijipu kwenye tumbo lakini hawajui kama wana vijipu. Na tunashukuru sana na kesho tena waje na tunawapenda sana. Asante.
Majina yangu ni Cyrus Ayubu. Mimi ni mkaaji wa huku Kitengela na nimefurahia leo kuja katika hii free clinic, na nimeijua tu kwa ghafla, na nimefurahi kwamba kila sehemu, nianzia sehemu ya macho, hata siku najua kwamba ni free. Sasa nimeshangaa kwamba ni free na nimepata kila dawa ambazo nilihitaji for free. Hata nilikuwa nimeandikisha, nikaenda kwa kashia nikamtafuta, nikamwambia leo hakuna mambo ya cash, leo ni kwenda kuhudumiwa. So nimehudumiwa mara 2 upande wa macho. Nilikuwa pia nahitaji dawa zingine za pressure, pia nazo nimepata. I'm so grateful.
Important that each and every person takes control of their health. Oftentimes most people wait until they're very sick to be able to seek some sort of consultation. What we advise and why we also hold some of these medical camps is that you are able to then come in at a very early stage and we are able to then pick up any infections, any complications, and treat them at an early stage when we do not have any serious complications, right? So what we are urging the members of the public is to be able to go to the nearest health facility with qualified professionals near you and get assistance very early instead of waiting till the conditions are very severe. Magonjwa mengi ambayo tunaona leo haswa ni mashida ya macho. Tumeona pia H. pylori iko kwa wingi ambayo tumeweza kutibu, tumepeana madawa ya kuweza kukabili hizo infections H. pylori. Pia kwa watoto tunaona kuwa county government ya Kajiado imefanya kazi mzuri kuweza kuwa vaccinate, ku make sure that wamepata chanjo ambayo imesaidia kabisa.
Nake Johnson Sakaja uria niwe governor wa county ya Nairobi nioritie atongoria aria mena guoya iguru ria miario iria irathie na mbere gatagati ka Azimio la Umoja oro hamwe na Kenya Kwanza makorwo makieheria guoya riciria riri ati miario ino yakorwo iri ya kuguna andu kiumbe, na akiaria ari igongona-ini ria gucaria mbeca thiini wa thukuru-ini umwe wa Wereng Secondary county-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Sakaja ni arakorirwo akiuga ati agendi kana main agenda kana agenda ya mbere na thiini wa miario ria mauko nayo ni ya gutigirira mukenya oro wothe ni yagunika ende ti ya kuguna andu kiumbe.
For us, it's time to work, and I'm very glad, especially coming from Nairobi, that even there the temperatures have gone down. You know, we don't have the disruptions we were getting every week. Kenyans want to work, tunataka to focus kwa kazi ili tuone matunda yake. So tunashukuru viongozi wote wa kisiasa pande zote kwa ule utulivu ambao tumeona kwa sasa. Tusaidie watu wetu waweze kupata pesa mfukoni, and that can only happen when we don't have the maandamano, when you don't have disruptions, when everybody has focused on their work. Nika zaidi wakati kuna shida, na niko na imani ya kwamba mazungumzo yatafaulu kwa sababu agenda imeshakubaliwa. Kitu ya kwanza ni wote kukubali rais ni William Ruto ambaye ndo alichaguliwa, and beyond that the other issues there is nothing that is beyond us. The limitation of boundaries ni mambo tumezungumza mbeleni, mambo ya office of the prime cabinet secretary, mambo ya office of the opposition, those that we can sort out. Saizi ni wakati wa kufocus kwa wananchi, especially us as Nairobi. We cannot afford to go back to that kukimbizana town. Kuna watu nimezika saizi vijana almost 9 ambao walipoteza maisha. It is not right. It is not right. So we have hopes. Na najua kwa Senate tuko na senator hapa, tuko na the leader of majority there who's part of the team. tuko na Mheshimiwa Ishungwa. I know our representation as UDA and as Kenya Kwanza is of sober people who want it to work. There are few elements who don't want these talks to work because of fear. They should leave it. They should just trust that the president has the right intention for
githie na mbere na riboti tumurike rugano rungi haha rukigimainie na atongoria kuma mwena wa ithwiro ria bururi na aria manyitaga mbaru mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja ni monekete magitetera Wycliffe Oparanya na ni thutha wake gukorwo ageikio ngono agikuruhanio na ungumania hindi ya wathani wake ari ta gavana. Na kuringana na atongoria ya ta senator wa Vihiga niwe Godfrey Osotsi oro hamwe na mutumia mubunge wa county no Elsie Muhande maugite ati Oparanya akorirwo akinyitwo ni undu wa mirugamo yake ya kiuteti na mararagia marigo ngona-ini ria kuhingura kanitha umwe wa ACK thiini wa Bulurwe gicigo-ini kia Butere.
Wakakalisha gavana na hakuna kitu waliuliza Sasa sisi tunaona hiyo ni njama ya kisiasa. Hiyo sio mambo ingine, ni njama ya kisiasa. Na kila wakati huyu jamaa anakuja hii eneo letu, lazima asumbue viongozi.
Was it necessary? Was it necessary kuingia kwa nyumba yake hii ya Mabole? Mama hayuko, baba hayuko, muna ransack nyumba. Mnajua even in the constitution we have a right. We have a right uambiwe alafu ukue president.
Kuna maadui wamezunguka kila mahali. Kuna maadui wanataka kummaliza. Na wanataka kummaliza sio yeye ana makosa yoyote. Wanataka kummaliza kwa sababu ni performer. Na ile performance amefanya wengine wote wameshindwa kufikia hiyo. Alafu yeye alingarisha Western Region yote ikapigia Azimio kura.
Sasa vile alikuwa amepanga kuja Kakamega ati anataka kusumbua Oparanya. Sasa wako hapa wanazunguka wanasema ati wameleta maendeleo. Hakuna maendeleo wameleta, ni siasa wamekuja kupiga.
Tangaza ya kwamba walikuwa wanatafuta governor because of 1.3 billion. Mimi siku hiyo sikusikia wakifungua kesi yoyote. Sisi tuambiane ukweli.
Yeye anatutisha. Unajua ukitaka kutisha watoto lazima ushike baba. Ukishika baba kwanza umtingize, sasa watoto wataogopa, wataanza kuyumba. Na hiyo ndio sababu Oparanya ameshikwa ili sisi tutishwe, tuungane na chama cha UDA, tuende sisi wote tupigie yeye kura kwa sababu ameanza tayari kampeni.
Kumana na riboti yo tukwamba guikiria ro hanini na ndugathiere mitambo tugicokereria nigukorwo ngikumenyithia mangi maingi hamwe na mendekithia ma gucenjio gwa katiba ni mendekithia mamwe ma gikundi kimwe kiria kirugamagirira makanitha-ini bururi-ini makionania ni marenda katiba ikorwo igicenjio. Mau na mangi maingi ni thutha wa kahinda gatari kuraihu nigukorwo ngicokereria.
Mutorera-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe, anini, akuru, akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru. No haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno, kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka.
Ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom.
Ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi. Ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi.
Nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tabarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Hihi nioe nere maritwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahuthikaga. Nioe makinya magukinyukia niguo wone kihoto giaku kana kia mwana waku.
Andu ni metikiritio kiwatho kururungana.
Ndwagirirwo gutwarwo police station. Ni undu wa defamation.
Tabarira-ini ya watho kigeri-ini tugakuhe kahinda ga kuria kiuria na gutuhe woni waku.
No mwaka ukona evidence na nie ndina right ya ukureport.
Ndufati kuruma mundu o wothe ona kungigia na thina ni kubati kuya ikinya rira kwagiriire.
Nyitanagira na nie your lady Waitherero wa Njoroge thiine wa tabarira ya watho kigeri-ini tuthome na tuhige hamwe ici ciigie watho oro ndumwe na kihoto guku kwa Muthingi TV arikio kihumo gia gutherema. Nanga kwamukira oro ringi na nigetha tuthie na mbere gutwarana thiini wa gikunjiro kia miaraho ringi njitagwo Muthoni wa Wambugu na tugithie na mbere na mohoro maitu ni ati atongoria matiganite akidini rungu rwa kiama kiao kia NCCK ni magathiriirie kana guthingatithia thirikari na nigetha makorwo magikia kabiru mathina mage gatiba kana maria makoretwo makiyumiria thiini wa katiba makia makoretwo makiyumiria na nigetha atongoria aya makorwo makiaraniria oro hamwe na kuona hihi kana no gakorwo kana katiba no gakorwo gagicenjio na kugerera ndumiriri yao mari kanitha-ini wa Amalemba Friends at Church county-ini ya Kakamega. Atongoria aya ni macakaite mathina maria makoretwo makiumira gukinyanirio kwa icunje itiganite cia gatiba na oho ni mahoete gukorwo gukiri na ugitiri na makiria icigo-ini ngurani na iria ikoretwo irwo ni ciiko cia wikinai.
Of men, the inevitable result is that people, God bless, may the ocean, may God. Over the years, there has been a notable progress disregard of the Constitution and laws of Kenya. Public officials are on record blatantly disregarding the Constitution or sections of the laws of Kenya or court orders. It has given root to the continued growth of corruption, as well as failure to actualize Chapter 6 of the Constitution, which sets standards for leadership. While we celebrate the implementation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 over the last 13 years, we do, however, note that there are some key areas facing hiccups and challenges. This includes a human rights violation. Cases of gross violation of human rights of citizens, either as individuals or as groups. Every person has the obligation to respect, uphold, and defend this Constitution. In this regard, we urge you as citizens of Kenya to familiarize yourself with the Constitution of Kenya 2010 so that you have a good understanding of your rights and responsibilities.
Na rĩu tũingĩre ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe thĩinĩ wa mathako na tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ mũhotani wa ngoga ya thahabu mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia mahenya Mary Moraa nĩ ararĩkirie Kenya kana nĩ arakorirwo akĩrehera bũrũri wa Kenya ngoga ĩngĩ ya thahabu mahenya-inĩ ma thĩ yothe marĩa marakorirwo magĩtirihwo mũciĩ-inĩ wa Budapest bũrũri-inĩ wa Hungary. Na Moraa araheire bũrũri wa Kenya ngoga ya thahabu ya gatatũ mahenya-inĩ maya, na kũrĩa icio ingĩ ciahotanirwo nĩ Faith Kipyegon mahenya-inĩ ma mita 1500 na mita 5000, na kuo kũngĩ mahenya ma kũrũga mahiga na maĩ ma mita 300 mũhanyũki Beatrice Chepkoech arakorirwo akĩrĩkia wa kerĩ akĩrũmĩrĩrwo nĩ Winfred Yavi wa kuma bũrũri wa Bahrain. Amerika nao nĩ maraiyũkirie ũhotani harĩ kwĩgwatĩra ngoga makĩrũmĩrĩrwo nĩ bũrũri wa Canada, nao Spain marakorwo makĩrĩkia marĩ namba 3, Kenya tũkaiganĩra namba 5 thĩ yothe na tũgagĩtongoria gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika. Na tũgagĩcokia ngatho mũno nĩ ũhotani ũcio harĩ arĩa othe marakorirwo makĩrehe ngumo ĩyo kũrĩ bũrũri wa Kenya, kuma kũrĩa Faith Kipyegon oro hamwe na Moraa ona ũcio ũngĩ ũrakorirwo akĩhotana. Tũgagĩcokia ngatho mũno makĩria tũkamera congratulations na magĩkinyire oro hau. Tũingĩre thĩinĩ wa riboti ĩngĩ harĩ mĩthako nĩ atĩ Walter Juma niwe mũhotani wa ikereka rĩa kana harĩa mbĩtĩka cia mũbira wa golf rĩa Diamond Trust Bank, na mbĩtĩka iria cirakorirwo gĩtabanio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Par 70 Golf Club mwena wa Malindi thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kilifi. Juma ihotanĩte kana arakorirwo akĩhotana point 40 agĩtongoria mũng'ethanĩri wake wa hakuhĩ na niwe Peter Pohlan mwena-inĩ wa Nyarari Jabi Wasige, nake niwe arakorirwo akĩiyũkia ũhotani thĩinĩ wa mbĩtĩka ici.
We have main unique feature. We have hole number 8 where you tee off. It's a par 4. You tee off, then you have to go over man-made pond to get to the green. It poses a challenge to many players, but above that, it's also a beautiful scene where good pictures are taken by players. We also have number 12, which is the highest point of our course. While you're there teeing off, especially the men's tee, you have a view of the sea and the beautiful Malindi. I think many young people are taking up golf, and I would like to advise them. There's a notion that golf is an expensive sport or it's meant for the elderly, and to tell you no, it's not expensive as said by many. It's actually a healthy sport for exercise.
As part of customer engagement, there are several initiatives we are having, and one of them is engaging customers in this manner, bringing them in the course, trying to have a good game and have a social life outside the banking world. So we thought this would be good, given that it is the first golf tournament that DTB is doing in this area, despite the fact that we have been present here for a very long time. Yeah.
Na nĩ tũgwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma thaa 7 gagĩcokia ngatho nĩ nyitanĩri waku nĩ thengio mũno Jeff Blue ũrĩa ũrauga nĩ aragĩtwĩrorera Grace Newton ro hamwe na Mũrugi Job na angĩ aingĩ arĩa mũragĩtwĩrorera rũcinĩ kana hwainĩ mĩaraho ya ũmũthĩ Patrick Maina onake nĩ ngatho mũno makĩria inyuothe harĩa hothe mũgĩ ndĩrenda kũmwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega niĩ njĩtagwo Mũthoni wa Wambũgũ no nĩ tũgĩcemania mũthenya wa rũciũ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya igagũrĩrwo arĩ mũthenya wa kerĩ na tũgĩkĩinĩkagĩrĩria mweri wa kanana ũmũthĩ tarĩki 28 njĩtagwo Mũthoni wa Wambũgũ tuonane rũciũ Ngai wa mũrathime korwo ina mĩaraho mĩega na thiĩ na mbere na gũkenerera tabarĩra citiganĩte gũkũ nĩ kwa Mũthingi TV kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema korwo na mahinda mega.